Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Sign into your Apple ID on the iPhone and confirm your phone number appears in Settings. Once done, make sure your cellular SMS plan is active so you can receive verification texts. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi or use cellular data and update iOS if prompted. Updates fix the registration flow. Now open Settings, tap Messages, and toggle iMessage on. That initiates Apple's activation sequence and prepares your number for registration. Once iMessage toggles on, watch for the status that says Activating iMessage. This tells you Apple is attempting to register your number. Next, tap Send and Receive, then check the box next to your phone number and your Apple ID email so both can send and receive messages. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password to confirm. Be patient, registration sometimes takes a few minutes. If the number doesn't appear, try toggling iMessage off and on again to restart the activation. Finish by sending an iMessage to a contact with an iPhone. A blue bubble means your number is linked. If it's still green or fails, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in from Settings to refresh registration. As a stronger fix, reset network settings. This clears saved Wi-Fi passwords but often resolves activation glitches. If problems persist, confirm your carrier, allows SMS activation, and wait up to 24 hours for Apple's system to propagate before contacting Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.